Hi, it's Hardware Said, and today I'll show you how to optimize graphics on Dying Light. Open Options, then go to Video, and here we have all the options. So select the monitor, resolution, here we have the brightness, then we can go to Advanced Graphics Settings. And if you have not very good PC, then just disable most of these options because they're just to make the game prettier, but will lag your game. And that's pretty much it. Here we have the quality, you can lower them down, once again if you don't have very good PC. Thanks for watching, don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.